up, you guys? A very warm welcome and welcome back to our channel. Hello, I'm Parna and I hope you all are doing great and safe. So guys, before starting the actual video, I would like to tell you one thing. Guys, please stay at your home and don't underestimate the power of a mask and sanitizer, because this is the high time. We seriously need those products because without mask and sanitizer, we cannot survive. So yeah, today I have few new makeup products to show you, and this is the first time I'm going to apply those makeup products on my skin as well. So you can see this is going to be a first impression kind of video, and at the same time I will share my honest opinion and review with you. So I think this video is going to be a little informative as well, because if you guys know me, then you know that I'm a big makeup lover and I love to try new makeup brands. So yeah, so now without further ado, let me introduce the products. First, I have Belora Parish Illuminating Moisturizer. So if you guys follow me, then you know that I'm a big fan of dewy skin like satin finish makeup. So it has Nano Gold, AHA and fruit extract in it, which is best for real brightness, and at the same time it contains antioxidant, which is best for cell renewal action, and as it contains sugarcane, orange and lemon, so definitely it will make your skin super glowing. Just you need this much. It smells amazing. Yeah. So now I'm going to mix this out with my foundation. So here is my foundation. Now I'm going to mix this out. I just blended the foundation in front of you and you guys can see the glow, right? I just love the finishing. So if your skin type is extremely dry, then definitely try this out. Mix this out with your foundation for a glowy, dewy, hydrating effect. Before makeup, you can wear it on your bare skin. Definitely it will make your skin hydrate, soft, supple for long, and at the same time you can mix this out with your foundation for a dewy, satin, glowy finish. So guys, all the products are vegan, cruelty-free, dermatologically tested, so these products are totally safe for your skin. Next, I have Belora Parish Eyedentity Kajal pencils. My Kajal pencils should be waterproof and smudge-proof, and I want a jet black color from my Kajal pencil. So it is a long-lasting Kajal pencil. It will stay on your eyes for long. So guys, as I told you that I have few basic makeup products, so I think Kajal is the only basic makeup product which we definitely need to create 90% makeup look, I can say. So yeah, this is how it looks outer packaging wise, and I would like to open it for you. This is how it looks inner packaging wise. So it has mineral oil in it, it has avocado oil, argan oil in it. Also it comes with vitamin E, which is really safe for your skin, and I would like to swatch it for you. The formula is really soft, the kajal is really creamy, so you don't need to apply it again and again. Just one coat is sufficient to get the jet black color. So yeah, let me see. So the third and the last makeup product should be a lipstick, right? So this is Belora Parish Leave No Evidence Liquid Lip Color. This is the shade. I just love the shade. This is the shade which is just best for any Indian function, and also you can try this out for any parties. So this is how it looks in a packaging wise. This is a very creamy liquid lipstick because it has shea butter, almond oil in it. That's why this is so creamy. Also it comes with vitamin E. My shade is 15 Mauve Plums. Belora Parish is the first made safe certified makeup brand across Asia, Europe, and currently the brand is available in India as well. All the products are cruelty free, vegan, and it comes with non-toxic formula. So yes guys, this is how the makeup looks like. I really like the makeup look. I hope आप लोगों को भी पसंद आई होगी. So yeah, नीचे description box में I will link it down. वहीं से आप check भी कर सकते हो. So yes guys, see you soon at my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself and please stay at your home. Bye bye.